Hi guys, this is Jimmy from iGearUnlimited.com. In this video, I'm going to show you our flip turn case for the iPad Air. On the table here, I have an iPad Air in the flip turn case. First and foremost, the flip turn case is a protective case for the iPad that offers full body protection, which means it covers the front, back, all four sides, and all four corners. We do have cutouts for the different controls and buttons around the iPad, so everything can be accessed without removing the iPad from the case. We call it a flip turn because you can flip and turn the case and set up the iPad in different modes. When you first open it, it looks like a laptop. And many people will use it as a laptop. You have a full keyboard here with a screen that can be set at pretty much any angle that you want. The flip turn mechanism here is very unique. It also allows you to turn the iPad around. Okay, now it's in presentation mode. Again, you can set up the iPad at different angles, virtually any angle you want. You can also turn it, show the iPad at a different direction. You can fold the iPad down into tablet mode, so now it's basically a regular tablet. And you can see that our keys are all hidden inside the case, so you don't have to worry about touching any of the keys when you're holding the tablet naturally. Now let's put it back into laptop mode. The first time you use the keyboard, you need to pair the keyboard to the iPad. And let me show you how easy it is to do the pairing. First, you turn on the keyboard from here. There's a heart switch. Flip that over. Touch the settings icon on the keyboard. Press the pair button on the keyboard here. Now the keyboard shows up on the screen. Go ahead and touch that. It's going to show you a message. You type in a 4-digit code followed by the return key. So there it is. Now the keyboard is connected to the iPad, ready for use. There are many built-in function keys along the top here that you can use. So for example, if I want to go back to the home screen, I hold down the function key and press this key right here, and it takes me to the home screen. Now some of the other function keys that are built in include brightness control of the iPad screen. If you're in a text application, you can show and hide the virtual keyboard on the iPad screen just by pressing a key here. You can quickly bring up a spotlight for searching. You can control the media, start playing iTunes, stop, fast forward and rewind. You can control the speaker volume. You can set the iPad to sleep or wake it up. So these are convenient functions built into the keyboard right here. If I were in any of the text capable applications, let's say this one here, I can do select all, delete, and then I can type in my own message from the keyboard, just like that. I can go to the home screen with one touch. Let's say if we go to Safari, type in the URL, makes navigation very easy. You notice that we follow Apple's keyboard layout for all the keys, so all the keys are at the right place. If you're familiar with Apple's keyboard, you'll feel right at home with our keyboard here. We've maximized the width within reason to match up with the size of the iPad Air, so there's plenty of space in between the keys, which makes typing fast and accurate. One of the unique features of our keyboard is the backlighting feature. And I'm going to turn off the light to show you how that works. With the light turned off, I'm going to hold down the function key and press the 6th key on the keyboard. And you can see the backlighting came on. There are 4 different brightness levels, so that's level 1. Then we have 2, 3, and 4 to adjust the brightness. You'll notice something interesting on our keyboard is that the lighting, not only is the lighting coming out around each key, it's also coming through each letter. Now this is very important because if you look at Apple's keyboard, Apple's backlighting keyboard has the light coming through each letter, which makes typing at night very easy and comfortable. Some of the competing products on the market, even though they have backlighting, maybe they even offer in different colors, the light comes around each key, but not through the key, which, at night, if you have a lot of light coming at your eyes, it doesn't really make finding the letters any easier. So this is a unique feature that we have with our keyboard here. Another unique feature with the flip turn case is when you're using it in tablet mode. There is a built-in stylus here. You basically just press on it, you can pull it out. Okay, it's built into the case, so you don't have to worry about forgetting, the stylus or keeping track of it. It's always there. Now you can use the tablet. You can use the iPad in tablet mode simply by using this. It minimizes the amount of fingerprints you're going to get on the glass, which when you turn it back into the laptop mode, you will really appreciate that feature because you're going to have a much cleaner screen to work with when you use it as a laptop. Now the built-in stylus is unique to us. No other case on the market currently has that feature. Because we're a G7 certified master printer, we can customize the case for your company or business or school, or just with your personal artwork right on the case, on the back. We can also print it in a way so that when the case is open and being used as a laptop, your artwork is always displayed on the back, or in presentation mode, it's always being displayed on the back of the case. So here's a mini flip turn case that has been customized with the customer's information. It's a black case, but we can print a white ink on it and then print customer's logo or a full color image right on the case. By the way, the mini version works just like the iPad Air. It can be used as a laptop. You can turn it around. Now it's in presentation mode, and it can be used as a tablet. The two differences are that, number one, it doesn't have a backlight keyboard, so the keyboard is a regular keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard, and because of the size of the mini, we don't have room to build in the stylus. Otherwise, it works exactly the same way. Both of them feature auto wake and sleep smart cover design. So there is our flip turn case for the iPad Air and iPad mini. If you like the case, you can order it from our website at www.iGearUnlimited.com. Thanks for watching.